Vegetable pulao. A good vegetable pulao should be separate with no clumping. Such a vegetable pulao can be effortlessly prepared in 10 minutes if all the ingredients are ready. So let's go on to the ingredients. This is Sujata from SujanFunKitchen. Welcome to my channel. First step is to take a cup of basmati rice and rinse it well in running water and soak it for at least half an hour, not less than 30 minutes. 1 hour will be preferable. This vegetable pulao requires very few ingredients, so these are called mise en place in French. That is, once you keep the ingredients for the pulao ready, it just takes 10 minutes. For my vegetable pulao, I have some frozen vegetables ready. So these are carrots, beans, corn and green peas, and two medium-sized onions chopped finely, and then whole spices, all kinds of whole spices like pepper, cumin seeds, cinnamon, bay leaves, whatever you like, black cardamom, green cardamom. So just don't add too much. And then of course ginger paste and also garlic paste if you use garlic, but I don't use, so ginger paste is also ready. So start the vegetable pulao by heating some oil. This is sunflower oil. Add oil liberally and then let it heat up and add all the whole spices: jeera, pepper, cloves, bay leaves and cinnamon, whatever spices you like. Add them, and when the flavor comes, add the onions, two medium-sized onions, and wait for them to turn golden in color. And now I'm adding ginger paste. Add garlic paste if you want, garlic paste too. Okay, mix, saute together very well till the onions turn light golden. Okay, keep sauteing over medium heat. See, there's a lovely golden color on the onions. So now it's time to add the mixed vegetables. I'm adding these vegetables. Oh wow, they look colorful. Yes, so appetizing. And then now is the time to mix and toss in the oil everything together so that the flavor of these spices get into the vegetables too. So keep stir frying them over medium heat. And this is coriander paste. This is optional. I always keep ready coriander paste. I have it ready. I have a ready-made bottle, so I just add it for the extra flavor. This is optional, so stir fry that too. Yes, and now add water for 3 cups of rice. It is 3 cups of the soaking water. I am adding the rice soaked water. So wait for a bubble to come in the water. Meanwhile, add salt to taste. Yes, so add the salt, and then this salt is for the entire vegetable pulao. And then wait for a bubble. The water should boil well. And now it's time to add the basmati rice. See, it's bubbling. Now add the basmati rice and toss them carefully, okay, so that the rice doesn't break. So now again wait for a boil together with the rice, and that's all. Our vegetable pulao is almost ready. Just set the timer for 10 minutes. If it is just 1 cup, 8 minutes are more than enough. So now it took me 10 minutes. So time it for 10 minutes over medium, between low and medium heat, and then wait patiently and then open it and test if it is ready. And my vegetable pulao is ready. Careful, don't make it mushy. Yes, see the grain of every grain of rice. It's not mushy at all. It's looking beautiful. And now garnish it with coriander. And then it's time to taste. Wow, you don't even need a raita with this. Just have a plate of this on your lunch is over. And if you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon for early notifications. And thanks for watching my video and leave your valuable comments. Have fun cooking!